Would you believe me if I said that the worst part about being injured isn't the pain itself? It's the version of yourself you slowly lose because of it. Now at first, it feels physical, a sore back, a dodgy knee, a shoulder that doesn't feel right. But if you give it enough time, that pain starts becoming personal. You stop training the way that you used to. You avoid movements without ever realizing it, and very slowly, you stop feeling like yourself. This is the part that most people do not understand. Injury does not just take away your movement, it takes away your confidence, your freedom, and it takes away the version of yourself that used to move without fear. And when you have tried resting, you've tried ignoring it, and you've tried to convince yourself that it will go away, but it just keeps coming back, you start asking the question that nobody wants to say out loud. Is it just me? At Evolve, we exist for the person who refuses to let pain become their identity. Because you are not broken, you are not weak, and this isn't how your story should continue. If you're someone who has lost trust in their body, our job is to help you rebuild it. Not with guesswork, not with rushed appointments, and not with a generic sheet of exercise you could have found online by yourself, but with a real plan. A plan that shows you what is wrong, what needs to change, what needs to get stronger, and what needs to move better. You see, getting out of pain is only the beginning. The real goal is walking into the gym without second guessing yourself, running without waiting, playing with your kids without any hesitation, and getting through the day without constantly thinking about your injury. This is what we care about, not just pain relief. Freedom, confidence, trust, and the ability to feel like yourself again. And whether you're ready to book an appointment today or you're just starting to understand what's going on with your body, we have built this page to help you. We've got programs that rebuild strength and mobility. We also have created a mastery series for the person who isn't just trying to overcome their physical injury, but also the mental one. Our mission is bigger than treating inside just these clinic walls. We want to educate, we want to guide, and we want to help you feel less lost. And when you're ready, we want to help you rebuild properly. So if you're tired of guessing, tired of waiting, and tired of feeling like your body is holding you hostage, this is fine. You don't have to accept this as your normal. You can rebuild, you can get stronger, and you can learn to trust your body again. Book an appointment today or start with any resource on this page. Either way, you'll come back to us now. I'll see you on the other side. Love.